Learn English at the supermarket. Easy grocery shopping for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Steve English. I'm Mr. Steve.
Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Clara, and I am so excited today.
Me too, Clara. Today we have a very practical topic.
Yes, something we all do every week.
Exactly. Today we learn English at the supermarket.
Grocery shopping for beginners.
Easy, simple, useful.
Because maybe you travel, maybe you live in another country, maybe you just want confidence.
And when you go to the supermarket, you need English.
Yes, you need words like milk, bread, price, receipt.
And today, after this lesson, you will not feel nervous.
Nervous means
you feel worried inside, a little scared.
Ah, yes, many students feel nervous speaking English in public.
But today, no stress, only progress.
I like that.
If you enjoy practical English, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend.
Maybe your shopping partner.
Exactly. Let's go to the supermarket. Chapter 1. Vocabulary Deep Dive. Okay, vocabulary time. Listen, repeat, understand.
Train your ears.
Word number 1. Supermarket. A supermarket is a big store. You buy food there.
Big store, many shelves, many products.
Good. Product means something you buy.
Ah, product is an item in the store.
Exactly. Number 2. Cart. A cart is the big thing with wheels. You push it.
Push means you move it forward with your hands.
Yes, cart.
Cart.
Number 3. Basket. A basket is smaller. You carry it.
So cart is big, basket is small.
Perfect. Number 4. Aisle.
Oh, that is difficult.
Yes, a little. An aisle is the long space between shelves.
So I walk in the aisle.
Exactly. Number 5. Shelf. A shelf holds products.
The milk is on the shelf.
Good. Number 6. Price. Price is how much money something costs.
If bread is $2, that is the price.
Yes. Number 7. Cheap. Cheap means not expensive.
I like cheap prices.
Me too. Number 8. Expensive. Expensive means high price.
Not cheap.
Exactly. Number 9. Fresh. Fresh means new and good quality, like fresh vegetables.
Not old.
Yes. Number 10. Expired.
Oh, what is expired?
Expired means too old. You cannot eat it.
So check the date.
Yes. Expiration date is the date when food is no longer good. Number 11. Cashier. The cashier is the person at the checkout.
Checkout? What is checkout?
Checkout is the place where you pay.
Ah, okay.
Number 12. Receipt. A receipt is a paper. It shows what you bought.
Important if there is a problem.
Exactly. Number 13. Discount.
What is discount?
Discount means lower price, special price.
Oh, I love discounts.
Everyone loves discounts. Number 14. Bag. After paying, you put items in a bag.
Paper bag or plastic bag?
Good. Number 15. Change. Change is money you receive back.
If I give $10 and it costs $8, I get $2 change.
Perfect. Let's repeat all together. Supermarket. Cart. Basket. Aisle. Shelf. Price. Cheap. Expensive. Fresh. Expired. Expiration date. Cashier. Checkout. Receipt. Discount. Bag. Change. That is powerful shopping English.
And we will use it again and again.
Chapter 2, Real Life Scenario. Role play time.
Yay!
I am the cashier.
I am the customer.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Did you find everything?
What does that mean?
It means, did you get all the things you wanted?
Ah, yes, I did.
Great, that will be $20.
That is expensive.
Maybe.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Can I have a bag?
Of course.
That was easy.
Short sentences, clear voice, smile.
Smile is important.
Chapter 3, the story of our friend Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Sarah moved to a new country. She did not speak much English.
Oh, that is scary.
Yes, but she was brave.
Brave means not afraid.
Exactly. Sarah went to the supermarket alone. She took a cart, she walked in the aisle, she looked at the shelves.
Did she understand the prices?
Not at first, but she looked carefully.
Carefully means slowly and with attention.
Yes, she bought milk, bread, rice, and apples. She checked the expiration date.
Good idea.
At the checkout, the cashier spoke fast.
Oh no.
But Sarah said, "Sorry, can you speak slowly?"
That is a powerful sentence.
Yes. The cashier smiled and spoke slowly.
And everything was fine?
Yes, Sarah felt proud.
Proud means happy with yourself.
Exactly. Chapter 4, Grammar Spotlight. Now grammar. Prepositions of place.
Ooh, small words.
Yes, small but important. In, on, under, next to, between. The milk is in the cart. The apples are on the shelf. The bag is under the cart. The cashier is next to the door. The supermarket is between the bank and the pharmacy.
These words show position.
Yes, position means place. Repeat. In the cart. On the shelf. Under the table. Next to the cashier. Between two aisles.
Simple and clear.
Chapter 5, Interactive Practice. Repeat after me. I need a cart.
I need a cart.
Your turn. Where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
Good. How much is this?
How much is this?
Excellent. It is too expensive.
It is too expensive.
Do you have a discount?
Do you have a discount?
Train your mouth muscles.
Speak loudly. Speak clearly.
Here is my card.
Here is my card.
Very good. Today you learned supermarket English.
You can ask for prices, you can pay, you can speak.
Small conversations build big confidence.
Exactly.
Here is your secret tip.
Tell us.
Practice in real life. Next time you shop, use one English sentence.
Just one.
Yes, one sentence every week. That's progress.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Tell us in the comments.
We are proud of you.
Keep going.
See you next time at
Mr. Steve English.
Don't forget to like
Share
and subscribe
to our channel.
for more English lessons.
Bye, everyone.
Happy shopping and keep practicing.